You dropped your ball, didn't you? Hey, you dropped it. You dropped it. Better go get it. Oh.
Look at these two now, guys. They're both sitting quite close together, feeling quite comfortable, but not comfortable for enough for me to leave them. But in saying that, look at this. Sugar is preening. Little Jack is just sitting there watching. I can see his eyes on me. You can't see that. Oh, there we are. You can't actually see that. I'm going to move this chair in. If they move, they move. If they don't, they don't. Okay, they're not moving, so that's pretty good. So I'm just going to go a little bit closer so you can see. So there they both are. Pretty close. And there's no reaction from both of them. But I've had this before with a budgie, so I'm very sceptical on what could happen. Oh, there goes Martini. Martini's gone for a good fly around. And there he is. Where is he? There he is on top of it. Oh, and another big fly around. And I can't do slow motion like most people know how to do. So unfortunately, you can't get to see that properly. But I'm going to go up to Jack now. Hello, Jack. How are you today? Are you being a good boy? Excuse me? Excuse me, Jack? Yes? Yes? Are you going to talk to everyone today? Of course not. Okie dokie. Bye-bye, Jack.